Hello guys, in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to make mod menu for any game. Using just these 3 free softwares, you'll find the download links in the description. First thing we need to do is make sure that there's only ARM7 lib in our games libs folder. Just change the extension file to zip, then go to lib folder and delete all other lib folders other than ARM7. Then rename it again to .apk. Now open IL2CPP-Dumper GUI software. Then drag the APK inside it. It will start dumping automatically. As you see, we have a new folder containing the dumplib file. Open it, then open dump.cs file with Notepad++. Now we need to gather all offsets that we will use in our mod menu. Press Ctrl+F, then start searching for offsets. Let's find gold and energy offsets first. Write get_gold or get_energy in the search bar, then press next. Here's our gold count offset. Same thing for energy count offset. Create another text file in Notepad++, then copy the offsets and its name, then paste it there. For example, let's name the first function in our mod menu to unlimited gold. Then patch it with 2 millions value hex code. Okay, paste the name of the offset. Then the offset itself. Then the hex code of the new value. Let's use this hex code, which equals to more than 2 billion. Great. Let's do the same thing for the remaining offsets. Let's add the energy offset. Same thing as the gold offset. Now the third function, we will add unlock all eggs. So we need to find the offsets first. For this function, we'll be using 2 offsets at the same time. Here's the first one. And here's the second one. Great. Same thing for the fourth function in our mode menu, which will be unlock all races or chapters. And as you see, the last 2 functions use the bool method. We just need to turn them to true using this hex code. Okay, now that we've gathered all the offsets we need, let's start making the mode menu. Open Tools Injector Mod Menu software. Then drag the APK file to the software. In the home screen, give a custom library name. You can fill all your information as your name, website, image. You can add a toast message too. Select the inject screen. Write the name of the APK. Select ARM7 and leave the library as it is by default. Now, add a function in the function list. Select patch in the function type, then check toggle option. Give a name to your first function. Then press right mouse button, select Add. Paste the name of the offset, then the hex code. Then press Add function. Same thing for second function. For the third function, we just need to add 2 offsets in the same function as follows. Same thing for the fourth one. Great. Our mod menu is complete now. All we need to do is inject it to our APK. Select Compile option, then press Full Compile APK Method 1. Wait till the compiling process is done. When the success message appears, it means our APK is ready. Go back to Compile option, then select Output Directory. Here's our game, signed and ready to be tested. Let's see the final result. When you launch it for the first time, it will ask you for overlay permission. Grant that permission, then start the game. Here's our mod menu icon. And here's how the game looks without enabling the mods. The eggs, the chapters are all locked. Now let's activate our mods. Let's unlock all eggs and races first. As you see, all eggs are unlocked now. Same thing for the chapters. Now let's try the gold and energy mods. Enter the tutorial, then go back to the menu. It works too. You have now unlimited golds and energy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great tutorials.